We at HVAC Services were appointed M&E specialist for this first in the world joint faith campus for Roman Catholic and Jewish pupils. My role in the project was lead engineer. I was in charge of the full M&E installation and head of the selection process. HVAC Services chose Ideal Commercial because they're a reliable company. I've used Ideal Commercial in the past and I've had nothing but positive results.
The project itself is an £18.2 million project which was delivered with ourselves as part of the construction team. Overall was about 18 months from pre-construction, procurement, product selection through to a construction period. The builders work within the plant room as well as the installation of the boilers, etc. Took around 6 weeks. We chose two Evomod 750s to meet the requirements of the heating within the building, which serves an underfloor heating system, central plant as well as the hot water generation.
This boiler is fantastic to work on, easy installation, the component parts are readily available. Our guys had no problems with the installation.
Yeah, the process was very smooth, a lot of planning involved and given Ideal support through their technical support and pre-construction. Being a packaged assembly unit as well, it became an ease of installation when it came to installing the plant room.
HVAC Services have since taken on one of the maintenance contracts within the school. We have been updated continually on the boiler's energy efficiency and to date we have heard nothing but positive results.
I would certainly recommend Ideal Commercial. The support's immediate, I think that's the most important thing. We can lift the phone at any time.
The process with working with Ideal Commercial was fantastic. Couldn't have asked for any more. The team, the support, everything we received from Ideal Commercial was first class.